Hello everyone, welcome back to TechPorn, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use AccuWeather widgets on iPhone home screen. First of all, open your iPhone and go to your App Store and search for AccuWeather. Then click on the AccuWeather app. If you can install the app, then install it. Once installed, you can go back to your home screen and long press, and now tap on the plus icon. Now you will have a new section. You shall scroll down till you see the AccuWeather app, and once you see the AccuWeather app, click on it. Then you can click on add widget, which will now add the AccuWeather app as a widget in your home screen. And if you cannot access AccuWeather app, then you can use Apple's own weather app as a widget. To do so, click on search widgets and search for weather. Then you can choose any widget that you want to put and click on add widget. Now click on the widget to on your location. Press on allow while using app and again click on allow. And that's it, your weather widget is now added. Thank you for watching and follow us for more tips and tutorials.